Alrighty, y'all. So, had the first downfall of one of these UltraTerrains. So here's a wheel here. And there's, I'm not sure what that is, but this tire's trash. It's super flat. I drove on it for probably about a mile, just completely flat. So we're gonna see how good the discount warranty on this is. Hopefully they've got one in stock, and see what ended up making that huge hole in the tire. I also had to get my spare replaced. Let's jump down here. So I had some type of real old AT tire for the spare, and it was all cracked, and I didn't feel too safe driving on it. So got this Michelin was LTX AT2 for 50 bucks, installed, mounted, new valve stem, all that good stuff. So that's a much better spare, and for Michelin it's a pretty good price, even used. It's still got pretty good amount of tread on it, so that'll be a lot better as a spare. But let's go see what we can do about this here. All right, well, here we are, new tire installed. There we go, normal zoom now. So what I ended up getting was a Duratrack. I'm not really sure. This is the one that they gave me. So it's not an UltraTerrain. It's got a little bit more, or a thicker tread on it. It's pretty similar. I think the tread block's a little bit wider on this one than these over here, obviously. But I mean, I'm not complaining. The UltraTerrains are about $250 a piece. This one's closer to 300. So I guess we'll kind of see how that works, with one of them being different than the other ones. But these are holding up still, holding up pretty good. Let's see, next thing is probably gonna be 5% tint. I think I'm running about 20 right now, so I'm gonna get 5 rolling. See ya.